This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
So, I was viewing the footage and nakita ko nga na yung mga police natin, hindi sila naka-uniform ng tama. And then I was able to check na it's because during that time, katatapos nilang mag-checkpoint, so kababalik nila from checkpoint operations, COMELEC checkpoint operations. And then ito nga yung nakita na natin na nagkaroon na rin ng commotion sa ating police station. Nonetheless, kami po ay ulit we're sending our apology sa ating mga kababayan na alam niyo po, hindi naman po ganun lahat ng ating kapulisan. There's just a few na isolated case na nangyari po, and it doesn't represent the whole of the Ilocos Norte Police Provincial Office. And another thing, we also welcome this kind of reports kasi dito po natin nababago, dito po natin naahasa, at dito po natin na-transform ang ating organization if we are accepting the problem and focusing at it and looking at solutions para mas maganda yung delivery ng ang public service. Okay, so to me, this report is an eye-opener para sa ating lahat na gawin nating palagi nating isaisip yung maximum tolerance in the dispensation of our mandates para hindi po tayo magka-problema.